Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well and in a good health. Today we are going to discuss about two books written by an Indian author, Avyukt Krishna. The first book is I Will Love Again and the second one is When Love Meets Ego. According to Mandy Hill, two things you will never have to chase, true love and true friends. But in these books, the author had totally contradicted this statement. According to him, you have always a second chance to find your true love, and the protagonist keeps on chasing for true love. So starting with the first book, I Will Love Again. The storyline goes like this. After completing engineering, the protagonist, Krishna, runs his own business, but unfortunately he failed. In addition to that, he had also failed in a long-term relationship with his girlfriend, with whom he has been in a relationship since they were in 12th standard. Krishna was totally devastated by these two incidents, but the ray of hope came when he got a call from an MNC for a job. He met new people, tried to start a new life. Now his eyes started searching for new girls in his office, but his past memories had never left him alone. But this time he was determined. He tried to find a loyal partner in every girl. Now he is in Pune. He had new friends. It's a new place. Now his eyes started searching for new girls also. But then every opportunity of dating was rejected by him because he always found something missing in them. So whether he will be able to move on and get a loyal partner? Well, you can discover this after reading the book only. You can consume this book in a day and it's a light read. So let's discuss about the second book, When Love Meets Ego. This is the sequel of the first book, I Will Love Again. In this book, the protagonist, Krishna, moves to Delhi for an assignment, where he meets several girls and again his heart started fluttering. He started spending time with them. But each girl utilized him either to satisfy their own ego or for taking revenge from their boyfriend or for entertainment. And Krishna felt like he became a victim. Now my question for the author is, how can one become a victim when you are allowing someone knowingly to utilize you? And the other thing is, whether ego and love can even share a single room? Well, I don't think so. What I genuinely felt about this book is, the only selling point is its humorous content. The conversation between Krishna and his South Indian roommate is hilarious, that every North Indian and South Indian can easily relate. The book may tickle your funny bones and make you laugh at some point, but the definition about true love mentioned in this book will definitely baffle your mind. You can easily gulp this book in one day. In order to know about books, don't forget to press the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.